Greetings, everyone. Let's envision an enchanting realm of gastronomic wonders, where subtle flavors and treasures from the depths of the sea beckon you to embark on a culinary journey. Are you familiar with this particular delicacy? Yes, it's none other than shark fin soup, a sublime indulgence derived from the vast oceans. According to marine fishing data, approximately 80 million sharks are caught annually, with 30% of them facing the looming threat of extinction. Each year, over 73 million sharks are processed to meet the insatiable demand for shark fin soup, especially prevalent in Asia. Remarkably, the shark fin trade generates immense profits, fueling the widespread practice of capturing sharks at sea, severing their fins, and then discarding their bodies back into the ocean. Today, the shark fins will undergo processing and be exported to destinations across the globe. Although sharks are often considered fish with red, fatty meat, the meat of many types of sharks is actually considered delicious and has high nutritional value. Some types of sharks, such as mink sharks and striped sharks, have soft, white meat. Shark meat is used in various dishes worldwide. In some cultures, it's considered a delicacy and is used in stews, stir-fries, frying, grilling, and even sushi. We genuinely appreciate your support and enthusiasm for our channel. Your continued viewership means the world to us, and we are committed to providing valuable content that enriches your knowledge and endeavors. Thank you wholeheartedly for being a part of our community. In today's video, we'll accompany fishermen in the US as they venture out to catch billions of lobsters and king crabs. According to data from the U.S. Department of Agriculture, American fishermen harvested 280 million pounds of lobster in 2022. Notably, the state of Maine stands as the primary lobster supplier in the U.S., contributing approximately 82% of the total production. Lobsters thrive in the Northwest Atlantic Ocean, with the highest concentrations found in coastal waters stretching from Maine to New Jersey. Guinea pigs have been domesticated since ancient times and are cherished worldwide. However, in countries like Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, southern Colombia, and northern Argentina, they are especially valued as a delicious delicacy. But how do farmers raise them in large numbers to meet market demand? Let's take a closer look. The guinea pig, scientifically known as Cavia porcellus, is a rodent originally from South America, particularly the Andes. A fun fact is that guinea pigs played a role in traditional Andean healing practices. Healers believed that passing live guinea pigs over a patient's body could help diagnose illnesses based on the animal's behavior and sounds. When European trade flourished in the 16th century, guinea pigs became prized exotic pets, especially among the wealthy and royalty. Spanish conquistadors were the first to bring them to Europe, and Queen Elizabeth I was one of their early admirers. Today, guinea pigs are increasingly kept as pets. They are social animals and can become stressed if kept alone, which is why experts recommend having at least 2 guinea pigs. Venturing into the bustling fish markets of Hong Kong and Guangzhou feels like stepping into an alternate realm, one where the vast trade in shark fins takes center stage. Under the radiant sun, thousands of shark fins are scattered across the market, undergoing the drying process. Taiwan stands as the world's fourth largest shark fishing nation, following Indonesia, India, and Spain in this endeavor. The prime season for shark fishing spans from May to September, coinciding with the time when shark populations migrate toward shallower waters in search of food, making it easier for fishermen to encounter them. Engaging in shark fishing is no small feat for the brave inhabitants who endure adverse weather conditions, navigating the enigmatic depths of the ocean to capture their elusive prey. Processing guinea pigs is a careful and respectful process to ensure the meat is prepared with the highest standards of hygiene and quality. Once they reach maturity around 3 months, the first step is to gently submerge the guinea pigs in warm water, which helps loosen their fur. The fur is then carefully removed, and the carcass is thoroughly cleaned. In many parts of South America, particularly in Peru, guinea pigs have long been considered a cherished delicacy. For generations, rural families have relied on them as an important food source, not only because they are easy to care for but also because they grow quickly and provide a substantial amount of meat. The appeal of guinea pigs lies in their nutritional value. They offer lean, flavorful meat that's high in protein and low in fat. One of the most popular ways to prepare them is by roasting, which enhances their rich taste and tender texture, making them a beloved dish in many households. On the boat, lobsters are meticulously sorted in adherence to strict size regulations. Any lobster measuring under 3.27 inches or exceeding 5 inches in length is promptly returned to the ocean. Additionally, measures are in place to protect female lobsters carrying eggs, ensuring the sustainability of lobster populations. This regulated approach to lobster fishing is crucial for preserving the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. For divers, efficiency and precision are paramount, given the limited time and oxygen available underwater. Furthermore, lobsters, which can weigh up to 44 pounds, wield considerable strength in their aquatic habitat, posing potential risks to divers. It's like embarking on a treasure hunt across the vast expanse of the ocean. The success of a fishing trip greatly depends on the skill of the fisherman, as well as the choice of fishing location and prevailing weather conditions. Speculation and luck, therefore, play pivotal roles in shaping the outcome of each expedition. After completing a fishing trip, the fishermen steer their boat back to harbor to unload their catch. Upon arrival, the entire crew works together to haul the sharks from the storage hold onto the shore. This process demands synchronized coordination among the crew members. For large sharks, which can weigh hundreds of kilograms, pulling them ashore is a significant challenge. Some boats are equipped with winches or small cranes to assist in lifting the sharks out of the hold, but often, the fishermen must rely on their own strength, using ropes or their hands to drag the sharks onto the shore. This requires the combined effort of multiple people. Once the ship docks at the port, shark processing begins immediately and on a large scale. Major seafood markets become busy hubs where skilled workers sort and process the sharks right on the port floor. Sharks are classified by their size, weight, and quality. This region boasts a rich array of marine biodiversity, with ocean fish notably abundant. Fishermen employ potent bait, such as tuna or salmon, which emit strong odors to entice sharks from afar. Among the species commonly found in these waters are small blue sharks, frequently encountered off the western Spanish coastline. Upon capture, each shark undergoes immediate processing aboard the vessel. However, certain vessels transport the sharks back to the factory, either fresh or frozen, for further processing. Can you speculate on the number of sharks caught per voyage annually? Millions of tons of sharks are harvested from this vast marine expanse. Shark fishing not only presents an economic opportunity but also serves as a profound means to connect with nature, particularly when it comes to interacting with the colossal, intelligent, and majestic sharks dwelling beneath the ocean's surface. Have you ever savored the taste of shark meat? Drop a 1 if you've indulged in this culinary delight. All freshly caught sharks undergo processing on site before being exported. Can you hazard a guess as to which country consumes the largest quantity of large fish globally? Undoubtedly, Spain has ascended to second place, trailing only behind Indonesia. Guinea pig farming has become an essential livelihood for many, especially in countries like Peru, where these small rodents play a significant role in providing both food and economic resources. Known for their rapid growth, high reproductive rates, and ease of maintenance, guinea pigs have become a profitable option for farmers, particularly those running small-scale businesses. Their flavorful, low-fat, and nutrient-rich meat is a sought-after delicacy in regions like Peru, Bolivia, and Ecuador, making guinea pig farming a lucrative endeavor. Farms often use multi-tiered cage systems designed for optimal care and breeding. Each cage is divided into separate compartments, typically measuring around 90 by 60 centimeters, with a raised mesh floor that allows feces and urine to fall into a collection tray below. This helps maintain cleanliness and prevent the spread of diseases. As herbivores, guinea pigs are efficient at converting forage and other plant-based foods into high-quality meat. They consume more food relative to their body weight than larger livestock like cattle or sheep, contributing to their rapid growth. Their diet mainly consists of hay, supplemented with fresh vegetables like kale, lettuce, and broccoli, along with small amounts of fruit to provide additional vitamins. Guinea pigs are prolific breeders with a short gestation period of just 60 to 68 days. Females can produce several litters per year, with each litter containing up to 4 young. Remarkably, the offspring are born fully furred and independent, capable of walking and feeding within hours of birth. At just 15 to 18 days old, guinea pigs are weaned and sorted by sex to prevent fighting. Farmers organize pens with a ratio of 8 females to 1 male to optimize breeding efficiency. Guinea pigs are fast-growing animals with a high meat yield. After about 3 months, they reach maturity and can be harvested once they weigh between 1,000 and 1,400 grams.